Let's see some examples on the concept that we have just seen, the relation between min, max and the average degrees. Now, first one is, there are two examples in this. First example is, capital G is a graph with 11 edges and minimum degree is 3, then what is the maximum number of vertices? So they have given the minimum degree. So we can compare the average degree with the minimum degree in this case. See, what is given? Minimum degree is given, right? So which means small delta is given. Now when small delta is given, we know that small delta is less than or equal to average. Average is total sum of all degrees divided by total number of vertices, right? This is average. Now from this we can find out the relation. Now what is that they are asking? The maximum number of vertices. Therefore maximum number of vertices cannot exceed 2e by delta, isn't it? That is the meaning of this. Number of vertices should always be less than or equal to 2e by delta. So our vertices can never exceed this number. Now what is this number? This number is 2 into e. So 2 into number of vertices is 2 into 11 divided by delta. So small delta is given as 3. So 22 by 3, it is 7 point something, isn't it? So which means our number of vertices should always be less than or equal to 7 point something. Then what is the maximum value our vertices can have? 7, isn't it? So the answer is 7. Now for the second one, G is a graph with 12 vertices and the max degree is 4. What is the maximum number of edges? So max degree is given and the vertices are given. Here we can compare the average degree with max degree, and we know that average degree, which means sum of all degrees divided by number of vertices, is the average degree, is always less than or equal to capital delta, right? Now what is asked? What about the number of edges E? So the number of edges E is less than or equal to capital delta into number of vertices divided by 2, right? So that is what they are asking. Therefore the number of edges cannot be more than this number, right? Similarly here the number of vertices cannot be more than this. Similarly number of edges cannot be more than this number. Now what is that number? The maximum degree is given as 4 and the number of vertices is given as 12 divided by 2. So it is 24. So 24 is the maximum value of E. So E can never exceed 24, but it can touch 24 because equality is there, right? So the E value is 24. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have, you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.